So they're the only ones in the industry, Ripple, have the infrastructure to support a country's central bank digital currency. Ripple, XRP, SEC, all of this bad news in the press. But you know, if you look at the background and what's actually happening behind the scenes, you will realize that Ripple is gearing up for a massive win. All of the money that they've been spending in the lawsuit doesn't even seem to have affected morale at all, because I think the people at Ripple understand that it's only a matter of time before this becomes a historical thing and the price of XRP goes stratospheric. How do I know this? Another bit of news about Ripple, and they are spending big. Now tell me if this sounds like a company that's been riddled by lawsuits and expenses. Look, Ripple buys crypto custody firm Metaco for $250 million. $250 million. That is a lot of cash. And they have this because, again, the community of XRP holders are being the most incredible diamond hands. And of course, like I said before in my previous videos, the whales are aping in, but you don't see it on the charts because they're doing an OTC. So they're buying off market because they know what's going to happen. London Reuters reports that crypto firm Ripple has bought Switzerland-based crypto custody firm Metaco for $250 million in its first major acquisition, Ripple said on Wednesday. So this is the first major acquisition. Look, if a company is going to lose a massive law case and potentially go under, because if they lost, of course, the price would plummet a little bit. And of course, they'd be riddled with all sort of legal fees and the company would probably crash, right? But if they thought that they were going to crash, why would they spend $250 million acquiring a custody company? What do you think that is for? Metaco makes technology which allows financial institutions to store and manage digital assets. Its clients include CTI, BNP Paribas, and Societe Generale's digital asset firm. Now, what does that mean? Remember when I said in my old video that one thing that would immediately bring XRP to the forefront is the ability to support CBDCs. So they're the only ones in the industry, Ripple, have the infrastructure to support a country's central bank digital currency. And with that comes custody technology. And look at this, Metaco does exactly that. It does it for Citibank, Paribas. These are humongous banks. So with Metaco now, also based in Switzerland, mind you, they are now positioned not only to take on entire country CBDCs, but also provide custody services for said countries. But Ripple CEO said he expects an increase in demand from institutional investors for crypto custody services. Go figure. I'll leave the link to this article in the description. Go read it for yourself. It's quite interesting. It goes a little bit more detail. But I'm telling you, Ripple is gearing up for something huge very soon. And I'm telling you, I'm going in a little bit more with my dollar cost averaging into Ripple. And I will see you in the next video.